Emmanuel Navarrete will be fighting Charles Suarez, and as much as I can see, this is a combat for WBO World Super Featherweight title, and I'm pretty much eager to say that this fight is going to be one of the most dangerous ones. Suarez is undefeated, but from what I've seen, I really have a feeling that he is going to get smoked here. Like Suarez might lose for the first time. Navarrete is more technical, more tactical, and I have a feeling that Navarrete he has a lot of experience, which might be a big problem against his opponent. And King's Warrior is brutal, excellent Filipino fighter, but I just think he's facing too tough opponent. Going with over 8.5, but if I must pick a side, going with Emmanuel Navarrete to win.